Hey Team Emily, today we are in my kitchen and we are making 2-ingredient dough bagels. Your first step, you are going to take 1 cup of self-rising flour and throw that in a bowl. You're going to want to mix 1 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt with your flour. I like to mix this in the bowl just to kind of get it a little bit combined, and then flour your countertop and then take your dough, put it on top, and you're going to want to knead it with your hands. Get it to the point where the dough isn't too sticky and it isn't overly dry. Once you've got your dough to a good consistency, I like to roll it out and divide it into 4 equal parts. Now it's time to form your bagels. So like I said, just roll it out and form it into a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just try to get them as even as possible. We're going to take some egg and just brush on an egg wash. This is going to make the top nice and shiny, and it's also going to help our seasoning stick to our bagels. So I like to use everything but the bagel seasoning, but you could use whatever you'd like. Pop it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring them out, and then you have these beautiful, satisfying bagels that are sure a crowd pleaser.